Ethan's learning how to eat on his own.
I'm
It's delicious, right?
Yeah?
What are you eating?
Yogurt.
Yogurt. That's right. Do you have oatmeal also?
No.
No, you don't? Oh, you finished most of your oatmeal. Do you have milk?
No.
Milk.
Jumbo.
Are you a little king?
No.
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 What's on your bib? What is it? Yogurt. What's this? A bat?
What?
Yeah. Are we done eating? Oh, we don't need to use our hands. Let's use your spoon.
Bush.
Spoon. Good job.
Bush.
Ethan, is it delicious? Yum. Can you say thank you?
Thank you.